Are you trying to decide between Beacons AI and Linktree? You're not alone. Many people want to know which tool is better for sharing links and promoting their content. In this video, we'll compare Beacons AI and Linktree to help you make the right choice. Both tools allow you to create a single link that connects to multiple sites. This is great for social media profiles, helping you share everything in one place. First, let's talk about Beacons AI. It offers a sleek design and customizable options. You can add links, images, and even videos. It's user friendly and lets you track how many people click your links. Plus, it has features for collecting emails and payments. Now, let's look at Linktree. It's one of the most popular link in bio tools. Linktree is easy to set up and offers a clean layout. You can add buttons for your links and customize them to fit your brand. It also provides analytics so you can see which links get the most clicks. So, what are the main differences? Beacons AI has more customization options and advanced features like email collection. Linktree, on the other hand, is simpler and quicker to use. When it comes to pricing, Beacons AI offers a free plan with basic features. They also have paid plans for more advanced options. Linktree has a free version, but you'll need to pay for premium features. In the end, if you want a simple tool to share links, Linktree is a solid choice. If you need more customization and features, Beacons AI is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.